All right, so here's week 2 of the Design Playground Challenge. So I think for a lot of these, including this one, I get inspired by different thoughts, reflections, sometimes music or something I'm working on. So I think a reflection I had was to just trust myself more, let go of overthinking, kill overthinking, just go, just do it. Sometimes we get just too inside of our own heads, and sometimes we just gotta, do it like Nike says. And this is where this poster idea was inspired from. I just thought I'd play around with some text typography that I've never tried before. Yeah, and it was fun to just try some new type. So yeah, I really enjoyed this. And the flashy red is something I wore that day, I believe. So yeah. Now we're on to day 2 of week 2. I basically did like a kind of like a design sprint. So there's quite a few of these. Now for this one, I think I was just having a bad day, a shitty day basically. And you know what? I was like, fuck it. Let me just be honest. Sometimes life just sucks sometimes. Things don't go your way. You might have some difficulties or struggles that you're going through, and that's okay. It's a part of life. Life is not always going to be sunshines and rainbows. And sometimes we have to embrace the struggles and the tough times. And this is where this poster idea came from. The scribbles and all of that. And I had fun with it. It was a good way of letting it all out onto a poster board. Now, on to day 2, walk it. As you could see, can you guess where this came from? Walk it like I talk it. Well, okay, it's already there. It says at the bottom. This song is by the Migos, and I was listening to this song going to the gym. This song even was playing on one of the workout videos I do at home, so it was just kind of ringing in my head. So thought I'd play around with the type with that one. Okay, on to day 4. God, it's going so quickly. Day 4, yeah, I was feeling heated that day, and a thought that popped up was tame your flame, tame your fire. There's nothing wrong with having a little bit of fire, but if you let it get to your head, you might make some irrational decisions, get impulsive, but instead you can use that and fuel it into your creative projects or your goals instead. So tame your flame and use it well. And now we're on to day 5. Day 5, I really enjoyed this one. Honestly, I highly recommend doing this type of design sprint. Yeah, I started playing around with, again, gradients and stuff, as you could see, but I started kind of getting inspired again with this flame idea, and I was somehow able to kind of create this flame with the gradient, and that was fun. I really loved this. This was great. This was one of my favorite ones of this week. Also, I will mention, not every week I'm not going to be doing like 5 or 6. Every week is going to be different. Just this week too, I kind of wanted to make it like a sprint to kind of get my engine going. But some weeks I might do 1 or 2, and then some weeks I might do 6 or 7, depends on the week. And last but not least, this is day 6, and I was feeling kind of fun, kind of pink vibes. So that's why the background was pink. I wanted to play around with, again, more of these warm colors again with the gradient, but playing around with noise. This was something that I wanted to experiment with, playing with gradients and noise. And the idea is doing hard things makes my life easier. This week I did this design sprint, but I also did a bunch of other challenges like ab exercises and a few other things, and kind of tracked my observations, and I realized that doing hard things makes my life easier in the sense that it actually empowers me and encourages and motivates me. And I feel like when you run away or avoid doing the hard things, whether it's related to your goals, a lot of times it might be related to your goals or moving forward in life, life will become more harder and you're going to start to feel stuck. So sometimes you got to push yourself out of your comfort zone and do the hard things, and that's going to make your life much more easier. So I hope that inspired you guys a little bit today. And yeah, comment below, let me know what you thought. These videos are supposed to be fun, inspiring, just a way to get my creative juices going, but hopefully inspire you guys as well to go ahead and try a 15-minute design challenge. Maybe do a 10-minute one, maybe do a 20-minute one, whatever you can squeeze in. And the more often you do it, the more comfortable you'll get, and the more you'll be able to discover some cool new design techniques. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this today. Take care.